Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is Paper Pumpkin Week. We've got the June 2025 kit called Full of Charm. And let's see what's in the kit. So we take out our tissue. And we've got our stamp set and a pretty peacock Stampin' spot. We've got our instructions for our 3 different cards. Full color instructions along with our measuring tape down the side. Coordinating colors are basic beige, berry burst, blackberry bliss, Cajun craze, early espresso, mossy meadow, night of navy, pretty peacock, timid tiger, and gold. And we've got our hugs the bloom add-on dies for the kit. So our stamps are miss you, let's celebrate you, thank you, happy birthday, and to a wonderful friend. So that's our stamps. And we've got some nice gold sequins. We've got our dimensionals and some Stampin' spots. We've got some Terran tape. We've got our envelopes, and they are all the same. They are plain inside, but they've got that beautiful decoration on the outside. And here's our first set of card bases. Here, aren't those gorgeous? Can you see the gold flecks in there? And this set coordinates with the Charming Day stamp set and dies as well. So we'll be pulling that in a little bit this week as well. Here's our other next card bases. So there we go. And I love how they're patterned on the front and back, so you can split them up and make additional cards from your stash. We've got our die cuts there. Oh, and this is perfect. Look at the gold on that. Beautiful. That's our last card base. And then we've got these beautiful, look at these die cuts. That is gorgeous. I'm just going to pop it against, whoops. We'll pick that one up later. Pop it against there so you can see it. Look at the detail in that. That is gorgeous. Okay. And what's our next one? Oh, look at this. The beautiful flowers in this. I am so looking forward to working with this kit. So again, it is the Full of Charm Paper Pumpkin kit. So stay tuned. I'll do the 3 projects in 3 videos and 1 alternate, and then an alternate every day this week. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for project number 1.